Now here you can see some map. So this is also raster data, but this is not satellite image or anything. This is called something topographical sheet prepared by Survey of India. So this was long back actually. It was surveyed, and there are some 3-4 sheets are there which have been scanned, and that proper coordinate system has been detailed and destroyed. So this type of map actually is very helpful, though nowadays it is not much available. But here actually this was only thing, this map is very old, but otherwise at that time it is very accurately every features are there in the map. This type of maps actually they were preparing in different scale. This was in minus 2,000, minus 50,000 maps are there. Those are better. So here we can see something districts of West Bengal. And these are some reservoirs. Various every features are there. The regions are there. So reservoirs are there. And the advantage is that the names are also there, which you cannot keep and normal any type of. So like here you can see it is given some Mython reservoir. So Mython Dam, so this is that project. So mostly these locations have maintained the major rivers, major location. These are this Ojoy River. This is one important. This is Damodar River. This is Damodar. But the Mython is on Borapur River. And these are some of the localities important. Here also some reservoir is there. Reservoir. These are all forest area, this green color. Now, actually, this data have been scanned, and actually, this type of map advantage is that they have some coordinate system. Like here, you can see this. Suppose this point location, it is from the. This is 86 degree and 86 degree east and 24 degree north. This point location. Okay. So this is 15 minutes increasing in this direction, and here 15 minutes decreasing in this direction. So this way actually all the coordinates are there, 3-4 breakpoints for every this type of, this is one sheet, this is one sheet, this is one sheet. This was also there. Now, so actually all the things there, the locations are given which are not available in the type of normal map. So this map was scanned, and then actually it was called referencing. So that actually if we give these points coordinates, it is the whole points, all the advantage is that we have all the coordinate points. Now the thing is that then it has been converted into some system that transfers points. And so that's why now it's coordinate is showing in meters. Now the showing is that on this raster layer actually we have prepared some vector layer. Those figures. Because we have given this three because we have something called iteration from the raster to vector, and then we have prepared suppose it is a very small data, some given name. This is the table associated with the real. We learn on this thing. So how to make it? So we have given some name, label, and the length. The GIS advantage is that the length actually, if we want, you can easily calculate the length. For line feature, you can find the length, and for the area feature, you can find the area. So the length it is calculated, and then it is labeled actually according to the size. So this is the name. Now this was one red line. There are many forests in this zone. Actually, this is Kapura district. So many forests in from that actually, and make some databases also. Forest also, if we give some for that pages, there are many forest names which has been shown here. And different forest area also have been calculated. So that is the advantage of this marketer prediction. Actually, if we get then everything, because anything area or length, isolated in terms of square meter or meter length. So these are all the vector data. So you can know this is the vector data of the line in river. This is the vector data of the forest. And there's some important 3 towns, and very small villages and some locations identified within and in and surrounding that particular town. Vectors. So these are all the vector data. Here also every town, every village also, if you see that table. So village again, it has been given some list. Which villages are associated with which town, and some suppose some population that I want to be any type of data. So these are the vector layers. So this type of vector layers actually we can prepare. So this is called something digitization from any map. Then digitize this, prepare the vector layer, then prepare the, you can calculate the length and area and prepare the database. And so here actually all the vector files mostly quite into. So it has extension of something is called shape file. So .sh. Now vector file is mostly called as SHP file. Shape file. Now suppose forest is there, I open the just table of forest. Okay. So anything with that interlink, suppose this one I click. There it is highlighted in the color. Or anyone you click, here it is highlighted. We can select some after we figure the database, we can select also features some expression. Suppose we want to find that there may be only 10 database, it can be many of it is advantages when you have 100 of data places. So 100 of anything is forest training. So if forest time is equal to this dictionary, choose it. Select features that have been added. So this is the advantage actually. You prepare the database and you want to identify some particular feature, it will be highlighted. Using the or something select by attributes. Selecting whether some specific attributes we can do it. Select by expression. Also, you can be selected. Vice versa, suppose this is one option of identifying features. Suppose I click this, river. So it's just this one only, and it's shown the river down. Right. Here also, it is already. So this one I add also. So there also from the database, if we select, and here also actually, if we select here, suppose here I select, so identifying the results. So it is result, the download, the name is given here. So that's actually helpful. There are various features. Anything we can add. It is called, now these are the attributes that I was saying. So this is the river name, the river layer. So this is the river. So it can have, suppose we have 10 rivers. So it can have different rivers, and it can give also ID. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and length it is, if you want, it can be calculated. And also if some other characteristics, so one particular river have one row, then another row, and so this has, and each column means it is called something field. Called field. So each of these features, suppose each of these river has a several features, name, length, and several others. So all are called attributes of the river. Written here, there are some field calculator option also. There are actually various things there. Lava. Various types of operation can also be done in the page. just one example field. It, and any field we want to create a new field, any field can be any type, either whole number or decimal number, text. So if I say suppose decimal number, just I'll create one field. For example, that is this length into. So like that, if I do this one, so this field has been added. Just 2 minutes. So this one, see now, just some field has been added, which is just also like.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the step?
You will do this one while doing that one. Just whatever time. While doing your work, you can do that. Steps are actually, I think here I have just created this one, given the field name, and here it was this number. Even any new name must be given, and you want to, and this, that is, suppose if I this into 2, any operation. So this is one. So I've given here river length into 2, and okay, it has been.
Okay.
So some of the features showing, it is even the new field can be created separately. Now this is, suppose we want to now delete the field. Just created. So this one I select and open. The field has been deleted. So I expect any type of this type of operation can be measuring vector data. So advantage is that you can identify the results, you can operate the results, and even run the subsequent can get some statistics also. This one's related to this. statistics with this. So anything. And actually here in the QGIS, anytime there are seen Tokushidoku that is affecting, but anytime later on your catchment this process also, it requires some basic map. So because Tokushido every time don't get, and for any feature identification this thing, here actually in the this wave one fish map services, OSM, actually you will not be getting now this one. If you any have QGIS, actually various things you have to install this and plugins. Go to this plugins and manage and install plugins, then many of the some of the will come. Sometimes since I have already done, so it is there in this quick map services OSM, this OSM standard. So this is the base map actually. GIS is already. And here this one will not exactly match because I have referred to some other one. And that map was very old. At least the rivers will be here. If we see the rivers are in the center. Okay, so that's why actually the location coordinates. That is that now the river it has this proper coordinate system. This coordinate this, and we can get also the that is the advantage actually. Now this river map or this forest map we can utilize it as some of the aspects. So this we can utilize it for solving the problem. Now this was about the vector very briefly. Because so any type of thing you don't get here, it will be plugins, manage and install plugin, then so I have something coordinate capture that is also required in the catchment delineation part. And sometimes we require the coordinate. So that is there. So if you require something, you click and install. Yeah. Now this is the raster data. This is the vector data. This layer. So these are all I calling that layers, whether that is village layer or the river layers, the forest layer. So one type of information actually we make it the separate layers. This information. And since all of these advantages are all of these are same coordinate system, then only the all maps will overlay on each other. Actually, for many time we have to integrate some other operations also that are we'll see. So modeling purpose. So then if all don't have same coordinate system and then it will have you cannot analyze it. Now I'll show you some other data. The raster data. This was about the vector data. This is about the raster data. This is the digital elevation model. So this one actually some of the this area of digital elevation model of this Contrauti catchment area. So for that one we have extracted the digital elevation model and some processing has been done. And this has been given some colors are actually reference to some these elevations actually. You can give any type of color here. So you can see some values there. Actually, if I zoom in, you can see the river channels. This is the reservoir there. So there is a see the any layer we can remove it also. We don't require. So you see this is the reservoir and there it is the reservoir portion actually. And these are the stream channels. So all these channels drainage networks can be identified from this digital elevation. So this data is having, though here you cannot clearly understand the pixel and this one. That one you can easily understand the satellite image. So there actually the resolution that one is there. But this the digital elevation of this Dexter digital elevation model of 30 meter resolution. So from this data, actually, this type of data elevation model, we can delineate the drainage network and the flash. And there are various some news and this one will be now and white in the okay. Sneha. Yes, ma'am. So I think I have completed this part. Okay. Then should I show them how the given part? Hey, this recording will stop. Then I can. Is it recorded? Okay. ওয়ানটাকে ইয়ে ওরা কি কিউজিএসটা করেছে সেটা তাহলে শুধু দেখিয়ে দিই ওদেরকে মনে হয় না সবার বলছে সেটা জিজ্ঞেস করলাম জানাই কথা বললাম So how many of you have able to install QGIS? Raise the hand. Raise your hands. Okay. এরকম ভাবে one করবে কারা করেনি সেটা জিজ্ঞেস করে কথা বলার যদি বেশি
না ঠিক আছে আমাদের ছেলে অনেক কিছু
তাহলে দেখে বুঝিয়ে দেওয়া আছে।
Okay, it seems that most of you have not installed it.
এটা কি দেখে দেবে নেমটা এটা করে আমরা যাইনি দেখো দেখো ওইটা মনে হয় সবাই ভাবতো না
আচ্ছা তার মানে অনেকেই করেছে
ঠিক আছে দেখো যেটা সুবিধা না যেটা বললাম
as ma'am explained what is vector data, what is raster data, and how they help us in different kind of works in related to civil engineering. So I will just show you how we can work with that in GIS software. And before that, where from we generally get these images of raster data like GEM, digital elevation model, or satellite images. Actually, to work with GIS, we need to have some of them. I think you were asking that are we going to use satellite images? So yes, we will be using some of the satellite images, and right now I will show you how that can be downloaded. So
ওটা খুলে ওদের রেজিস্টার স্ক্রিন
as we all know that in India, we have an organization that is so they actually provide us with the satellite images and we have a portal named Google. So if you go to Google and just type Google, then you will get this website, google.nrc.gov.in. So we can access all the free images, free satellite images provided by ISRO from this portal. So if you go inside it, open archive data.
এবার রেকর্ড করতে হবে কত টাকা হচ্ছে নাই
Recording is not starting. Okay, I'm continuing. So if you go to Google and then you will see one option in the open data archive. Click on it. This page will help you to actually to find out the area from which area you want the satellite images, and that can be downloaded as well. So for that, you need to have a login ID and password. Anyone can do this registration over here. I will request all of you to register yourself 2 minutes. Just register yourself here with this login. Then only you will download it. And it's done with. I hope it's done. Almost a few. So should I continue?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Okay, so just after registering yourself, log in here. So logged in inside this one. So here you can see I have selected the satellite option. So before downloading it, I have first select what satellite I want the images. So here this satellite or sensor, this option is selected. And here I will go for this resource at 1, resource at 2, these 3 things. This one. And then there are different ways how we can select the area. So here you can see that automatically when I selected this set resource at 1, 2, these 3, it's showing me different yellow tiles. So these are the one image or one scene, say, or one tile of satellite image because they are accurate in at different times and by tile actually they are accurate, and that way only we get it. So those tiles are here only shown. So whichever tile I want to download, that I can select and simply download it. So I will not go for bounding box, map sheet. These are different way of selecting the area. If I go to the style option, it will ask me to start. That means start selecting which style I want to download. This area. This region I need to first select, and because for this area you will see chemically needed for this particular river. So if I start it, just by pressing Control one by one, I can select tiles. In this manner, you can simply go on clicking over the tile to download them. And if you click next, it will show you all the dates available. You can also select the particular date for which you want the tiles. But here it is showing whichever date it is available. So see here in different dates. The dates are mentioned over here. The top sheet of the tile number and the bounding box means the coordinates. The region of the coordinates. They are mentioned over here. Date of past. Here. And you can just for whichever date, for example, the first Jan 2019, if I want this one, I will go and select this, check this one, and first check how is the quality of the image by viewing it, if there is any cloud or not. So if you see sky, then I will do the download. For that, I can just click over this. I have already downloaded some of the images to show you. So that's why I'm not again downloading the same images. These 6 types. In the if they have tile numbers and dates. So these 6 tiles, but exactly these 6 tiles which I have selected here, these you need to download. Okay, so let me tell you the tile numbers because you need to find them out properly. Exactly these tiles. So for 14th November 2018, I have downloaded all these 6 tiles, and now here it is F45I09, then comes F45 5C12. They can be all identified in your system, and F45I05. Okay.
First, let them make a folder. Otherwise, everything they'll be confused.
First of all, you just create one folder like this, list 3. In list 3, you create one folder. Okay? Because you have to go with several number of steps. Just create one folder. And if you check here, these are F45I09. So for I09, all the dates available are here. Okay. And I have here downloaded this 14th November 2018. So first of all, you can just go and check here, check this one. After you selected these tiles, I don't know whether you have been able to select the over this map or not. Tell me if it is done.
Please repeat how to download. I am able to do that. How
That
to
this
select?
tile, selecting these tiles, na? Okay,
Yes,
I'm going back then. New selection. Okay, here you go to the tiles option. Go to the tiles option. So here you exactly have to select that area. It is quite tricky actually, as I know where I want my images. That's why. So this exactly this area you need to locate. Here 2 reservoirs are there. First of all, here 2 large reservoirs are present, Maitan and Panchet. You can, if you just zoom the image, then you can identify it or locate it properly. And just below this one, this one. So if you can locate this reservoir, you can also locate the tiles. In West Bengal part, it is present. Just locate these 2 reservoirs first. Just below this one, we have these 2 small reservoirs.
Just I have shown them the Maitan Panchet and Kamshavati.
Just below this is the Maitan and Panchet. So if you are able to locate it, then simply start this one. Just click over this start button and select these 6 tiles one by one. Press Ctrl and select these 6 tiles. Is it fine now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I hope all of you are able to select these 6 tiles because we are going to download exactly these 6 tiles. Otherwise, it will not be done. It will not work actually. Because with these 6 tiles, we will go for different operations over these 6 tiles only. Okay, it's done. So it's done. So just click over this next button and start with start with this by here from this table. Actually, we will go for selecting the dates for which I want the images. Okay. So as I have already downloaded it for 14th November 2018, the same you need to also do. So, and I have done this because I was getting a clear image on that day. So here these are 2009, 11, 12, 14, and if you go down, then you will get this 14th November 2018 for F45C08. Okay, so I have checked this box simply. You can just click over view to check the quality of the image, and then this is another tiles you can see. So F45C12, it was F45C08. So for the next tiles, I can again select or check the date, exact date, 14th November 2018. Okay. So it is F45C12. The previous one was F45C08. Okay. So if I scroll down, another tiles I can get here. And again for the same date, 14th November 2018, here this one, F45C16 is there, and F45C, sorry, I13, for I13, I have this one, and then I09, and I05. So these are the 6 tiles which I wanted to download, and I have selected all of them. Okay. You got it? So after you are selecting them, just click over this download button and it will be downloaded as a zip file. After you are able to select the exact tiles, just click over this download button. So all these tiles should be of same date. Okay, as we are going to compare them, and but not comparing, actually we are working with them together. Okay, we are going to join them all and we will be working on them. So that this date is very important, at which date the satellite image has been acquired. So the exactly this date for exactly this tiles should be selected. Okay, so just as they are of different dates, just if you check for one tiles, the one selected this one like this, so then if it is starting from the next tiles and the dates are like this, here you select 14 November 2018 again, and so on. After you are selecting all those 6 tiles exactly for 14th November 2018, just click over this download buttons. As I have already downloaded those, I will not go for the downloading once again. You download them in your system.
Ma'am,
Is it done?
ma'am,
All of you? Yes.
ma'am, I was disconnected. Could you quickly go once again, ma'am, from beginning? How to download?
Have you selected the tile?
From beginning, the
these
first
tiles?
step. These I understood, but the first step I missed it, ma'am.
The first step means
After clicking
Just
on
a minute.
open data achieve, ma'am.
open data archive. After that, you need to register yourself.
I've registered and logged in, ma'am.
You have registered and logged in, and then go for selecting the resources satellites. Have you selected the satellite?
Select category of satellite and sensor it is.
Yes, satellite. And there you select the resource set 1, resource set 2, leads 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, got it? And then
Yes, ma'am,
at the
understood.
bottom of that, go for the tiles. Go into the tiles tab,
Yes, ma'am.
area selection. Okay, then click the start button.
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? If you click the start button, then you will get this kind of window. So if you select, if you just zoom over this region of West Bengal, you have to properly actually locate this region. Then only you will be able to find out this tile. Just below this Python and Panchet, as these two reservoirs can be easily located, dark blue colors, just bottom side of this. Here is another reservoir, smaller, this one is smaller reservoir. So here, these 6 tiles you have to select. The tiles numbers I am repeating, F45C08, F45C12, just check it in your system. F45C16, F45I13, F45I09, and F45I05. How many of you downloaded the images? After selecting them, click download to get downloaded to download the images. Just click download. Okay, after selecting the images, click this download tab. Okay, then I'm proceeding into the QGIS software. So after we are downloaded them, we have to process them with some basic steps to work with the images. In order to work with the images, so I will show you that part actually. So now you can open the QGIS. Now you can open the QGIS. Oh, I forgot one more step. So after you have downloaded them, you need to extract them. Okay, just simply extract these files, as this will come in the zip format. So we need to extract them all. So as you have downloaded the list 3 images, let me tell you some very basic things about the list 3 image. These 3 tiles which have been downloaded just now by all of us, I hope. So this is actually list 3 means is the sensor. List 3 is the sensor, and the satellite name is resource set 1, resource set 2. Actually, this resource set 1 or 2, both of them actually carries the list 3 sensor at different period of time. So that's why here one slash is added. This resource set 1, resource set 2, these 3. And this sensor actually provides us a multispectral image. Now, multispectral image, what is multispectral image? Multispectral image is different spectral bands. It gives us different spectral bands. If one image or one sensor is able to give us different bands within the electromagnetic spectrum, in that case we can tell that yes, this is a multispectral images. And if it is that images consist of only one band, then we call it as single band image or panchromatic image. So this particular sensor actually gives us a multispectral image, then brings different bands. It provides band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 5. They are named as these 4 bands. And what these 2, 3, 4, 5 bands are, they are actually red, green, NIR, and shortwave infrared. So these are the named as band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 5 here. So now, if some other details are also shown here. Okay, here these auto rectified, then radiometric resolutions and spatial resolutions all are shown here. It is almost 25 meters as written here. Now you know what is the resolution or spatial resolution is. That means the pixel size. Yes, ma'am.
1 minute, that is the satellites and all these things they does not know. So I think the basic things you can just tell them.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'm just going to the basic things.
Tell them
And
on
each
size.
tile actually are size of 15 kilometers by 15 kilometers. That's it. So these are the basic information of the tiles that we have downloaded. Okay. And now I will show you how to work with them in GIS. So after you have extracted the images, you have to open the QGIS software. And in QGIS software, you can see one browser is there in the left hand side, and another is one layer panel you can see. You just tell me if you are able to see these 2 things or not in the QGIS window.
Yes, ma'am.
This OSM is I have opened. You may not have it, but this OSM standard, if this background map is open, then we can just see that for which area we are covering, that tile is covering. That's it. Okay, so we have actually downloaded this Kongshabati River part. This is the Kongshabati River, I think you can just see these reservoirs which were also present in the satellite image, right? So now we will be opening the images. So here, I think in your system also you have named the folder as list 3. Don't put any space or any special character in the folder. Okay. If you have already put any space or special character, then I will ask you to remove that one and or rename that folder name. Otherwise, you will have difficulties in working with that folder. So here, if you open this, you have to first browse your folder, and after browsing them, you go inside it. You can see the folder inside which the bands are present: band 2, band 3, band 4, and band 5, which I was mentioning that it will give us these 4 bands. Okay. So within these 4 bands, these are green, red, NIR, and this one is shortwave infrared. So we will work with these 3 visible bands. These 3 are the visible spectrum, we all know, and shortwave infrared is not the visible one, but still in some work, these bands are also needed. That's why it is provided by the these 3. Okay. So this we will work with these 3 bands. So if you simply drag it inside this area, inside this viewer, it will get open. Okay. And you can see it. Just with any folder you can do it. This is the way how we open them. These are different bands, and right now it will look same. Okay. All will look just gray colors image. Just if you drag it, and it will look like this. Okay. Similar kind of bands you can see. Now, to work with them, we have to make a single image out of these 3 bands. Okay. So in order to make that, we will go for one operation named merge. For every image that has to be done, but I am already having one merged image. I will first show you how it looks, and then I will show you how you can also do it. So this is the merged image with band with the 3 bands, 2, 3, and 4. But here it will just after merging them, it will be 1, 2, and 3. I know that which band is what. So this is the merged image. If we merge them, okay, it will look like this. So now if I go to the properties, show this this image is actually showing the false color composite. False color means we actually give different colors to different bands in order to identify a specific object within the image. So this is a very standard band combination, which is the NIR band is it is assigned as red color, the red as green, is the NI. So it is assigned as red band. The green color is for 2 and blue band is for 1. So this 3, 2, 1 is the band combination. Okay. So here this 3 means the NI here. So you may get confused because there it was written as 2, 3, 4. Because here we are, that is the band number as per the sensor. Okay. As these 3 bands we are just stacking, so or merging, so this software will take it as 1, 2, 3. It will start with 1, 2, 3. Okay. So band 2 means actually the band 1. Band 2 means here the band 1. So here we are doing it. This 3 means the NIR, okay, or near infrared, and this band 3 means band 2. So here this band 4 or NIR band 3 actually is assigned as red band. 3 is the sorry, this one NIR band is assigned as green band. Red is assigned as green, and green as blue. So this will be the standard band combination, or is known as false color composite. We'll go for these 3 combinations, and it will look like this. So here it is shown after merging. So now we can see all these 3 bands as a single image. As I have merged it, I can see it as a single image. Okay, and these are not different files. Here these are 3 different files, but as we are merging them together, I can see or work with the values and all with this one image. So this is known as the multispectral image. Okay? This is known as the multispectral image. So in order to work with all these images, first of all, we have to merge them. So how to merge them, that I will show you now. Just go to this raster option, then miscellaneous, then merge. You click over this merge image, merge option, and go for this input. So if you cannot merge, as we are merging the different spectral bands of one tile, you cannot merge one tile of this image with the with another tile of the nearby image. Okay, you have to simply merge the 3 bands of one tile only. Getting my point? Because here you may get confused. You have so many folders, 6 folders, and all those 6 folders you have all these 4 bands. So I cannot merge this band with this band. Okay, I will not do that. I am right now. What I am doing is I am merging all these 3 bands of one particular tile. 3 bands of one particular tile is merged here. So be careful while doing it. Okay. So first of all, you open the first 3 bands, band 2, band 3, and band 4 of the first image. For the first image, you just open this band 2, band 3, and band 4. Okay. And then go for merging. Here, if you, whichever image is opened on your system will be shown here. Okay. So from here, you have to select them all. This image, this merged image is for this I05 actually. So if I'm going for I05, then I will select this for I05, band 2, band 3, and band 4. Okay. 3, 4.
Now where is the merge?
Just like this. Are you asking something?
Ma'am, why they are repeating 2 times?
By mistake, actually, I have opened them twice. That's why it's repeating. In your system, if you have opened that image once, then it will show once only.
No, ma'am, in my system also they are twice or thrice in time.
So in that case, you check they are of same name or different name.
Same name.
Same name, and they are repeating. Here you can see I have opened so many images. I can simply remove all of them. Just remove all of them first and go on opening one by one. Then it will be easier for you. Just remove layers. So see here, See here, only these three bands are open. So when I'm going to raster miscellaneous merge, then it will show me only those three bands. If it is not, if nothing else is open here, only merge is open. So whichever layer is open, those layers are only visible here. I can simply select these three images with these three bands from here. Just check whether the tiles numbers are same and the band numbers are different, 2, 3, and 4. For the same tiles, you need to select band 2, 3, and band 4. Okay. Don't click run, just select it. Just click OK here, don't click run. Just click OK right now and then place each input file into separate band. Check this box. Just check this box, otherwise it will not work. Place each input file into a separate band. Then in output data type, no need to change anything. Advanced parameters also keep as it is. Keep them all as it is. And here, this merged file, save to a temporary file. Here you could go on clicking this 3 dots, save to file. Here you inside the same folder, that means where your bands were selected after extracting the zip file. Inside that only you can keep your merged image. Okay. As I have done it for I05, so inside I05, put it now this folder only. The main folder is this one. This one only I have kept my merged file. So if you do it like that, you can easily locate them. And band 2, band 3, band 4 are like this inside this folder, and here inside the main folder actually I have kept my merged file. Don't change the file type, make it as diff. Here just put the name and click save. As I already have it, I am not doing that one. Just click save. Save and then click run. It will not take much time. Just after selecting the output file name, click run. It's the wrong one. So the satellite images will look like this, each of the tiles after merging them. I will show you how the vector that ma'am was showing, how that can be drawn over this image. So is it done? Up to this, all of you have done?
Sneha, I think let them today do this one.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Otherwise,
And I think, ma'am, it will be better if they merge all the bands together for each of the tiles, and then they will start working next day.
that they can do. Na?
Repeated.
One tile you have shown them. So the rest of the thing they can do it now or even after the class. Also.
Even after the class, they can do it, and from the next class onwards, they will work with them. So all of you tell me if you are able to do this step up to this.
On the process for one tile madam has shown like that. The remaining tiles also you
Do it yourself.
do it yourself.
Ma'am, I have merged, but it is not showing colorful.
It is not showing colorful. In that case, you have not checked that box. I asked you to check one small box here. Place each input file into separate band. You need to check this small box. Then it will work. It will look like this. Otherwise, it will show you only a gray band. And what about the others? Satish Pandey,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done it?
Ma'am, I'm lagging behind. I cannot find the merge, ma'am.
You cannot find the merge. Just go to this raster tab. See, here I'm showing in the screen. This
Yes, ma'am.
raster tab, miscellaneous, then merge.
Ma'am, how we will create band and all?
What are you doing for this long time?
And actually, I was weak connection. I was downloading, and after that, I missed. Cannot cover. I will have to watch the video again.
So how you will work then? I have given
The
you some
recording
task
on.
from the recording only.
Yes, ma'am, that is the only option.
Okay, in the next day, you finish the same thing. That means you just complete the whole thing, select the,
Yes, ma'am, I have done like this.
okay. So 3 bands of same image. I0, if it is N40, NF45, I05 only. Okay, like that.
Yes, ma'am.
Then click OK. And no need to change anything else other than this. Place each input file into separate band. This one you check. This box.
Yes, ma'am.
Then no need to change anything here.
Output file you have given.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, output, if you are going to save to file, save to a temporary file, not this temporary file, save to a file. And
Ma'am, can I
here,
show you?
yes, show me.
Is it visible?
Now visible.
It is saying this. I have set the parameters and also saved a file like merged GIS. This is the
Yeah.
merged. I have this, and here is the log. Process returned error program.
Started from the beginning once. Go to raster tab. Go to raster tab. Don't rename them. Why are you renaming?
No, ma'am, I am removing this merged layer.
Okay, no, you, yeah, you can remove this one. Go to raster. Miscellaneous, merge. Yeah, let me see properly. Okay. Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay. Click run.
It is again saying yeah.
Show me your folder name. Main folder in these three only.
These three.
Sneha, read out the output error. Existing
It's-
output
it's-
file has not banned than the output files, than the input files. You should delete it before.
Oh, same, okay. I think the previous file you should delete.
Yes.
You are putting the same name, no? Previously
Yes, ma'am.
also you created the same
Do it
name
fresh.
file. Do it freshly or put another name.
Hello?
Yeah, now
Now it ran, no? Okay. Now you check. So here you go to the symbology. Otherwise it will not. It will look different. Right click. Right click. Then properties.
Okay. Symbology.
Here in symbology, you do the render type as multiband color. Multiband color is only present. Here first the red band is band 3, green band band 2, and blue band band 1. Select them in that way.
Red band, band 3.
Band 3. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Green band band 2 and blue
Yes, ma'am.
band band 1. 3, 2, 1. Click OK. Apply OK. Apply OK.
Yes.
Now it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So do it for all the images. Okay. All
Okay.
the tiles. Now Satya Pratap. Satya Pratap, what are you doing? Show me your screen.